Okay,
Wet
wow.
your hands. Wet, wet, wet. Wet.
Rain.
Wet, hindi hugas. Make a hole in the middle. Press. Two thumbs. Two thumbs in the middle. Press down.
What are you doing?
Keep going down. Keep going down. In the middle lang. Sige, tignan mo. Pababa. Keep going down. Dahan-dahan. Ibuka. Ibuka. Widen. Huwag mo nang ibon, ha? Huwag mo nang ibon kasi mabubutasan mo na siya. Widen. Ibuka. Hold it there. Hold it there. Release. Release. Wet your hands. Very good. Marunong magbuka.
Ano dyan? Dalawang or very good?
4 fingers. Flip your thumb. 4 fingers. Feel the clay. Here. Feel lang. Feel the clay. The turn of the wheel. Slide your hands up until the tip of the clay. Until the tip. Hold it there. One more time. Gently and slowly slide it up. Ipuin mo paket para humaba dahan-dahan until the tip. Until the tip of the clay. Hold it there. Wow, mahaba na yan. Hold it gently and slowly slide it up to balance. Slide. With feelings. Slide.
Labas
Hold
dila.
it there. Release your hands. Oh, good job. Wet your hands. Isang agod pa.
Nangagod pa.
Now gently pakyat until the tip. Hold it there. Release your hands. Okay, left hand in. At least mas mahabang ano. Push with this part. Huwag mong i-fold na ganyan. Gently and slowly, you're widening it to a ball. Push. I-push mo sa baba para bumuntes. Push. Sige. Outwards. Outwards. Slide up. Slowly. O, tignan mo. Bumubuntis. Dahan-dahan naman. Dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan. Nagtigyawang ka siya. Yan. Control it until the tip, please. Now, hold it at the very, very tip to balance. Hold. Release your hands. Ayan. Magaling. Malapit na tong pang sinigang. Wet your hands, isa pa.
Okay na to.
Wet your hands, isa pa. One last. Hold, out, and up.
Hold.
Yes, clip your thumb muna. Yan. Sa loob, yung isa. You're widening it into a ball, remember? Gently, gently, slide up. Slide up. Parang kanina, slide up. Hold it. Hold it until the tip of the clay. Until the tip of the clay. You're doing well. Maintain that until the tip, please. Now hold it at the tip to balance. Release your hands. Very good. Pang sinigang na to.
Pork
Tama na.
sinigang. You're the best.
Flat hands photo with your master. You were
Ay,
good as well.
mabigat. Mabigat siya.
Sino pa?